Hi, this is Jay, and I just started learning the basics of creating HTML. And for my first homework, I'm required to create a simple HTML about my favorite food. Well, actually, the preparation and the ingredients of my favorite food. And as we go along, I'm going to discuss the different parts of HTML as what I've learned. And let's start. I'm going to use JSPin because it's free and it is very user friendly. So here we are. We have the HTML, means the hypertext markup language, which basically is the backbone of the website. And these are what we call tags. So we have the opening tag and the closing tag. So the opening tag, of course, basically the first part before you put in any information. And the closing tag is after you put in the information that you want to show on your web page. Now, the only difference between the opening and the closing tag is the backslash, right? Now, we go to the head. The head will contain the name of your page. So, if you notice JSPin, and it shows here JSPin. I'm going to change that to fave food since it's gonna be our topic, right? And this part we don't make any changes as it's already constant. So that's it. That's actually it for the head. And if you notice we have the head, it will only contain the name of the page, so we have to close it right after. And we go to the body. So for the body, I want to make the name of my food or my favorite food a little bit or bigger than the rest. So I'm going to use H1. H means header, and that's header 1 for you. We have 6 headers, so H1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. H1's the biggest and, or well, the biggest in font, and H6 is the smallest, right? So I'll call this lasagna menu. Now I'm going to make another header just so you can see the difference of H1 and H2. Right? I'd just like to put in well, a few words. So easy, cheap, and delicious. So if you'll notice, it's H2 is smaller than H1. And if you noticed earlier, I created the tags, the closing and the opening and the closing tag as one, just so I will not forget closing it. Because if we're creating a very long HTML, we might forget closing it and it will mess up our web page. I'm going to go to, of course, the ingredients. Well, basically, the thing that we're trying to do here is creating an ordered list and ordered list, which is why we opted to make or to create HTML for our favorite food, because we have the ordered list, which is going to be the step-by-step process on creating or making your food, preparing your food, and we have an ordered list, which is the ingredients. So I'll start with the ingredients. And that's going to be, ingredients going to be my unordered list. So I'll just put here I'll just put this. So this is going to be a reminder that what I'm doing is unordered list. Or, well, actually, just so I'm aware that UL is an ordered list. Start with the list now. LI is going to be the tag for a list. So I'll also put that. Just so we are on the same page. I'll close it. Okay. Right, so first on the list of the ingredients is a pound of lean ground beef. And I'm going to create the tags first before proceeding to the before putting in the other ingredients. I'll do a copy paste. It's going to be easier. It doesn't really matter if there's a space between your tags when you're putting in your ingredients or the information that you want to show, because again, the tags will not show on your web page. See, I put in a space here. Let's try putting in the ingredients without the space in between, and it will show the same. See? Right, so we're done with our unordered list, and I'm going to create the ordered list. Or let's make it a little fun. So I'll put OL, that's gonna be the tag for ordered list. Okay. And I'll create the tags for the list again. Basically, we only have 3 steps to follow in cooking lasagna. There we go. So this is our lasagna mania recipe. So that's it. That's basically what we do on creating a web page, or a very simple web page. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching or for listening. You have a good day.